Hello everyone. We are Team App Monster, team number DEC007. As we can see that due to this pandemic, unemployability is rising very rapidly. In spite of having talent, but due to lack of contacts in their local, they are suffering from starvation. As well as local people also find it hard to search any local workers for even small work at this critical time. So, we are going to design an application named ORS, stands for Online Rozgar Seva, which is the solution of this problem. Now, user can create account as an employee or employer and fill the information needed. Employee will have to mention their skills, experience, and most important, how far can go for work. And when employer created his account, he will be directly redirected to the workers category page and he can search or select any of his choice. After selecting, all the workers of that particular category and of his nearby location will be shown up on the screen with high rated workers at the top. Now he can select any of his choice and checking their availability, then request. Now employee will get notification and can confirm. Currently, we are designing our model in English, but our future application will be in regional languages so that anyone can use it efficiently. It is free of cost and will be very easy to understand and use. If any employee does not know how to use smartphone, then his family member can create his account and give updates for his work, so it is not bounded to any age group. This all adds up to something quite powerful. I think this particularly important right now because millions of people are losing their jobs. Hopefully this helps relieve some of the pressure that migrant labor is facing right now and helps them prepare for a more online future. Thank you.